Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate HBO Max. To activate HBO Max on your Firestick, start by ensuring your Firestick is connected to your TV and powered on. Navigate to the home screen of your Firestick. Using the search function, type HBO Max. Select the HBO Max app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the app to download and then select Open to launch HBO Max. Once the app opens, you will see a sign-in page. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and log in. If you are a new user, you can choose to activate via a web browser. Make a note of the activation code shown on your screen. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser. Visit hbomax.com/TV sign-in to start the activation process. Enter the activation code displayed on your Firestick. Sign in with your TV provider credentials if required. Once authorized, you will receive a confirmation on your device. Return to the HBO Max app on your Firestick. The app will refresh, and you will be logged in. Now, you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies on HBO Max. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.